obise comments bi a me man no pay matese wani anye ho akokɔ na atia ba enkumba fa kyeme wada
won se wodi bone na se ye chewa se ya na react say e na react ebusu ya Ghana Nsem TV edi ameje so woni meda e promise the blogger ye nua miracle eye Dennis Abuaje o say man no why lucky ko che bibi ketu abu atiwa nanso ena so ye MPP ne ye che ne nyansa enti no o de a che no nkoche video no ene nsemo de to dwane ba na wi a ya so be che adwin e won
me sa kamia kasa menua eye Dennis Miracle Abuaje our year age the man His Excellency Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia former Vice President of the Republic of Ghana 2024 flag bearer of the New Patriotic Party na was signed a flag bearer hopeful for the MPP in 2028 elections na yene no entwetwe enkomo agida is me moache
welcome me Joseph
na boko de
adom na dom ye na so
boko pa we de emse obise comments bi a me man no pay matese wani anye ho akokɔ na atia ba enkumba fa kyeme wadaroma ansakura na hyenkomo na se why
welcome in fact besides the car we catch you say my friend no I was very upset.
I now also ubu fupa
na you see eduma yi eni obra yi boy ade kran ya ni edin
no kra
eno ani ade kran yi nya ni edin na wo show WhatsApp bon say me send you message me for a day video no man na me send no message na me can say this is about the third time.
Oh when you man hwe okafra
I think that
that so who be mama mia when you get to me san
I think say far call now udi kan say me fan tell me trust nti asama me kasa na bebre na
bacho amata
sen bafem ba me sell nipa din de so esin bibia me sell say opportunity a unya amapebia no one na o ma ye bi ni na de kasa. But if a camera it says opportunity, no, it becomes weaponized against individuals. It's unfair.
Mati.
It's unfair.
Mati.
First of all, as I'm now kind no crabby anymore. Apart from saying no crabby anymore, and pass mumpu. And pass in a sense, so what's the meeting be wada and a meeting nothing. Yabubo niyama bebre ba MPP aye na oye mu hwe na obi sa say aden na MPP ni aban bo hu de wuro na so be say ye de wuro bo hu nyina sika ma mirakosa sebe nyanse bi ani tinka ne pakọ no kran kese obi sa no because me no aban mu no na me ye de ewu nti eba ne sen na ye wo information ministry na ye wo communications directorate at the presidency na ye wo communications directorate at the NPP headquarters. And I may miracles and I may debate any day or bam any other publicity for a bang juma why you music of a mammy. Welcome, Michelle. A juma will be any machina. And see a dear a best say unia a big goonia who fear you not to be in a son. So I announce wash. I announce wash. What cast them as a more can't do from me. Me no meaning him say you nipa baby at 30% we almost say wodi no ba media make your monte nti we na wo kan na no modeko but a complete fabrication. It is clearly meant to smear me, it is clearly meant to malign me, and it is unfair. Say I buy no information ministry, not buy no communications directorate, both at the presidency and a party. Now will be international watch it this one papa.
That my wedding mammy
me no me dibia wa by mu yeden
me bo minia we de me pese beto aso na de enti a me kasa ne say it was in relation to the Soko project near about communication one but all the same no
but Soko project has nothing to do with me.
Okay
I don't work. I have nothing to do with Soko. I don't. I may executive secretary to the Interministerial Coordinating Committee on Decentralization.
Oh, okay.
The presidential staffer. Soko. Soko. Project under local government ministry. Soko. PR unit. Soko. Project coordinating unit. Office or ministry. It has nothing to do with me. Absolutely zero. Nothing to do with me.
Oh, okay.
Again, the parkour catcher or no, it's more than the parkour no meaning so we are friend saying offline obit my body.
My body why?
Because you see the pap on your for say no, I see meaning that you now a trade be a man of the baby baby announced or the acquire baby.
Aye.
Send me a meeting baby. I have nothing to do. Me a minister for information. Me a director of communication at the party. Me a director of communication of at presidency. So-called project okay at local government. A whole project unit, project directorate. Kasi apa or more project coordinating unit. And what regional offices across the country. Or more PR units. I know nothing about if anything. It's now be a cotton baby. No, what is so I'm into no. Say I can be time in poor. Thank you, Mitchell. And I say, "Oh, they are better about here. Will be tea. What maybe they want it."
Oh, we are better. We are better. What?
Please, I beg you.
Mati.
Be a name. Ni pana de yemu. By Tiran, why I know what they are.
What they are.
Why? Oh, yeah. The same mediano.
Matias.
So, Sebi. The Anipana can answer be any. They said me, I mean, na me debate then what bem, and I buying Eddie publicity. Who's he getting my miracles? I say, you turn tomatoes, and I say, Jenny, turn on. So, kind so not no deal studio moi.
I know you studio.
Also, the young channel.
Kwame amo, wow, near
Kwame amo, aha, also Kwame amo young channel.
Aye,
it's a Kwame amo, you but we are okay, saying, Yemen, I'm a friend, and I made the trouble and saying, see ya, Kwame amo, why how do you crab with him? But, yeah, I would see any great see me, and will become a latte. Now, what to say, what's here? Come up buying ticket in my miracles. Because you are, whom you know, Mudemuna, and so no could be any Miss Sarah.
Mati.
Nipadin Pierre. And you and I, you know the relationship we have. You may not
Pa.
What to make us say this is the third time. Besides it, I training now. What's the first one, man from and can't watch them? Second one, man from and can't watch them. This is the third time. This is the third time. Why you see or
Mati.
Come you being yard and for nothing. Only why you see, Mr. Wadaroma.
Mati pa. And you answer now, but one quick one. So far, you are Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia campaign to say.
Now, back when I answer, I'm a no so kind. I don't know to me, boy, me, Nanny Pacono catch on the own to me money.
I say, who's my chance, Mr. What do you
say? So, what did you find? Say, the Pacona, some no catch on the panel, a winning as well. So, Bonipan to do air. What do you Ghana? Bonipan,
Mr. What do you, why? What are you horrible? Yeah, macho.
Let us say, you man will be at the city and fancy.
Wouldn't be that. Let
us say, we have to say, yes, the fancy transfer miracle. Because in Canipano, kind of nobody did here. Like our crown put the other one put say, like our friend had enough to
maybe person, you bet to us to be. They watch him.
So be cast some throw. Not any panel to say, Ubaboni Dian. That is any panel who straight away to Chantro.
No crack.
Now, once I was here, we now will meet him. It had the panic will meet him. Tonight, any player bill, Hontiboni Dean, like a fanato line or so. Not for me to be a line or so. They will be sending pane. Thank you, boy, with you for an hour.
Ah, but said it was actually me, Mijudi.
There would be a funny panel to say, let's say, what I say, you want to say,
what have you? Young coming round once some cacra, what I
remember in your mobile. Mama, me a brandy and feel like I be dead. I mean, brea me bomb home. They say you are not to think I'm do my son.
Wow. And then you went yammy, Martin. May I say, so they are me. Now, Mahmoud Bawumia, no, yeah, you